Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tasleem and today in this video we will be talking about a new job vacancy, and this vacancy is for cabin crew Bengali speaker and the location is Sharjah, Air Arabia. So if you are from Bangladesh or West Bengal and if you can speak Bengali fluently, you can apply for this position. If you want to know more about the job responsibilities, I have provided the link in the description box. You can check them and read them. Now we will discuss about important requirements. So your age should be between 20 to 26 years and minimum height for female is 160 centimeter and for male it is 168 centimeter, and your weight should be in proportion to your height and age. It means your BMI should be perfect. Clear skin with no marks or tattoos that would be visible while wearing the cabin crew uniform. Medically, physically fit to perform cabin crew duties. Ability to swim with aid of flotation device. We will discuss about the qualifications. So you should have diploma or higher secondary certificate, and if you have diploma in travel and tourism management then you will be given preference. In first aid, safety and emergency procedures are an added value. Fit to fly, has good general health, no serious medical condition or chronic diseases. Proficient in Microsoft Office, must be fluent in written and spoken English. Fluency in Bengali is a must. To know more about work experience, you can read that on the official website. I have provided the link in the description. After going through this all, you have to apply online for this position. Now you have two options. You can apply either through LinkedIn. If your LinkedIn is not updated, then you can apply manually as well. After that, you have to sign up and you will see this kind of interface. Now you have to submit all your documents, your CV and your cover letter, etc. Then you need to type your profile information, your work experience, and if you do not have any work experience as a cabin crew or cockpit pilot, then you do not need to fill anything here. And after that, you need to tell about your language skills and you need to answer these specific questions. So after completing this, you have to apply online for this and the process is over. So if you want to know more about it and if you have some doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.